have you ever felt like you're just stuck at zero financially? Well, today, we're going to break down a really clear path from that exact spot to building real, actual income momentum. Let's dive in.
And this right here, this is the core idea we're talking about. The biggest myth out there is that you need a pile of cash to get something started. But what you actually need is momentum, that amazing force you create just by taking that very first tiny step.
I want you to think about this for a second. What if having no money wasn't a roadblock at all, but was actually your secret weapon? Seriously, when you don't have any capital, you are forced to get creative, to be resourceful, and to stay laser-focused. It just strips away all the noise and makes you zero in on what truly, truly matters.
Okay, so how do we start building that momentum? It all begins with step one, finding what we'll call your zone of interest. And listen, this isn't about chasing the latest, trendiest thing. It's about looking inward at what you're already obsessed with.
Let's get real specific. When everyone else is asleep, what are the internet rabbit holes you find yourself falling down? What are you genuinely curious about just for the fun of it? That late-night research, that's a massive clue to where your passion really is. And how about the stuff you already watch? Those YouTube channels you can't stop binging? They're not just for entertainment. They're basically a roadmap to your deepest interests, showing you exactly what topics you find endlessly fascinating.
And finally, think about your friends, your family. What do they always come to you for? Is it tech support, help with their resume, maybe planning a trip? You're already solving problems for people, for free. And that right there, that is a skill. It has real value.
All right, so once you've kind of nailed down that zone of interest, it's time for step two, building your very first offer. The key here, and this is important, is to choose a hustle you can literally start today. No waiting.
And here's what that looks like in the real world. This table connects those passions directly to a side hustle. So if you're a nerd for AI tools, why not start a newsletter or an affiliate blog? Got a creative eye? You could sell AI art printables on Etsy. Have a nice voice? Try offering voiceover gigs on Fiverr. You see how your obsession can translate directly into a service?
Now, the crucial point here is you do not need a masterpiece. All you need is what's called a minimum viable profit. Your only goal is to create the absolute smallest thing you can sell. Just one blog post, one digital design, one short recording. That's it. That's the whole goal.
And the best part? You don't need a budget for this. Every single tool you need to write, to design, and to sell your very first offer is available for free. I'm talking ChatGPT for writing, Canva for design, Gumroad for sales. The barrier to entry is officially zero.
So let's look at how this all works in the real world. Because, theory is great, but seeing actual people who started from nothing, that's what really makes it click. And remember, that first dollar you make online, it is the most important dollar you will ever earn.
So, take Emma, for example. She noticed that people love seeing inspirational quotes online. So she just used the free tool Canva to design a few simple quote packs that she could sell.
And with that super simple idea, she made her first $50 on Etsy. That right there, that's the beginning of momentum. Or look at Lewis. He didn't go out and buy any fancy equipment. He just used the voice recorder that was already on his phone to offer podcast intros on Fiverr.
His first gig earned him $30. He turned his own voice and the phone that was already in his pocket into an actual income stream. It's brilliant.
Then you've got Tyra. She realized that her skill as a native English speaker was actually in really high demand. So she started tutoring online.
And that simple start has now scaled into a consistent $400 a month. This is exactly how those small initial wins start to stack up and become something really significant.
And honestly, the possibilities are just everywhere you look. Daniel runs a simple newsletter, and now he sells ad space in it. Rena took her knowledge about AI, packaged it into a mini course, and sells it for just $15. All of these started super, super small.
Okay, so you've seen the proof. Now how do you actually do it? Let's build your momentum plan. And don't worry about not having enough time. 1 hour a day is more than enough to get this thing started.
This is your launch sequence, right here. Step 1, define your zone of interest. Step 2, pick one simple hustle. 3, build one single asset or offer. 4, list it somewhere public. 5, promote it at least one time. And finally, number 6, just commit to making it a little bit better next week. That's the entire loop.
So, what's the single biggest takeaway from all of this? It's this right here.
Perfection is the enemy of momentum. Your first attempt is not going to be your best, but it will be your most important. So start messy. Start now, but the most important thing you could possibly do is just start.